From the mixing of your ingredients to the kneading of your dough, down to checking the right temperature for frying, down to frying, you need to know the secrets that will give you the perfect pillow donut every time. And guess what? That's what we'll be talking about in this video. So welcome back to my channel. These are the ingredients you're going to be using. You're going to be seeing them on the screen. But I'm going to be telling you the secret tips you need for each process. Now, for your ingredients, normally you have your flour, your butter, your sugar, your yeast, and your salt to taste. That is majorly what you need. Then your butter. But there is one ingredient you shouldn't skip. If you want to get a very fluffy pillow donut, do not skip your eggs. As little as 1 egg to 250 grams of flour or 1 egg to 500 grams of flour can go a long way to change the texture of your donut, making it more fluffy. Then for your butter, there are 2 ways you can add your butter. You can add your butter before or after. Adding your butter directly to your dough before adding water has a way of making your dough soft on the inside, but the outside may be a bit dry. If you want it to be soft on the outside likewise and moist, you can add your butter after kneading, or after adding your water rather while kneading. It softens your dough and give it a soft texture inside and outside. This way I divided my butter into 2. Added it both before adding water and after, because I want a soft dough. I wanted a soft donut in the donut and also outside the donut. For your kneading, do not even joke about it. Standard time for kneading to get a perfect pillow donut with that white line is 20 minutes, my sister or my brother. You can't even joke about it. If you say, sister, my hand go pay me, I know. Do not go for more than 20 minutes if you're tired. If you can go for 30 minutes, perfect. You are sure that your pillow donut is going to come out and the white line will be sharp. But if you're tired, you can go for 20 minutes. I advise that you use music or anything to distract you, like watching a movie while you knead and enjoy yourself. That is the way I knead. Sometimes I dance with music and I don't know when the time passes so fast. Why proofing? Proofing in one environment so that your yeast will work effectively, especially my viewers from the US, UK, or Canada, that your environment is pretty cold. You can heat up your oven for 5 minutes, adding your dough there and let it proof. But please turn off your oven after heating it up so that you won't bake your dough. After allowing your dough to proof for 45 minutes to 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes, depending on your environment, go on out to cut your dough or shaping it to the size that you want. If you've watched to this point and you haven't thumbs up this video, do thumbs up this video, do like and share, do comments. Tell me what you think about these tips and tricks and this donut recipe in general. Don't worry, the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box. So I did shaping my dough into mini balls. At this point, I usually advise 80 to 100 grams. Shaping your dough and weigh them. If you are going for commercial donuts and you want it to look more professional, you want them to look even, so you need to weigh your dough. 80 grams is standard size. You want it a little bit bigger, you can go for 90 or 100 grams, but please do not go for more than 100 grams. Your dough will be your donut will be too big. Now roll it into a ball. You can flatten the top, but it is not necessary. If you want it to really have that round shape, do not flatten the top and let it proof for 15 minutes in a warm environment. For the frying, the temperature of the oil is the cocoa. You can't even joke with it. Donut, you don't need hot oil. I recommend 150 degrees Celsius to 160 degrees Celsius for frying. With this, you will get the perfect donut recipe every time. So take note of the temperature. And if you're going for donuts in commercial quantity, I will advise that you get a thermometer so that you can be sure of the temperature of your oil before frying and there will be no room for mistakes. So take note of that. Frying at the right temperature, we make the white line to be distinct. We help your donut to cook well on the inside. And you will not have donuts that the inside is brown, the outside is brown rather, and the inside is raw. Have you watched to this point and you haven't commented, you haven't thumbs up this video, you haven't liked? Come on, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe, do like, do share. Now once you're frying, our yummy pillow donut is ready. It's so easy, don't you think so? Tell me what you think about this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.